Hi students, good morning. Hope all are busy in your studies. Today we are going to see the second part of letter writing. In the first class about letter writing, I told you the importance of letter writing, what are the two different types of letter writing. In that, in formal one, we started with, and I explained to you up to salutation, if you remember. What are the different parts of the letter we saw, if you remember? Do you remember? Like what I have written here, in an informal letter, you have the self address or one's own address written, and then you have the date, and then you have the salutation, and I told you it has to be written with the first letters of the first and last word in capital letter. That's where we are written. Salutation means the way you address a person, dear dad, dear mom, or those kind of things. That's what it is. Now, body of the letter. In the question, every question that you have for your writing will have something mentioned there. Why you are writing this letter? For example, write a letter to your uncle thanking him for a wonderful birthday gift you received or he sent to you. Write a letter to your father requesting him to send you some money or requesting to give you permission to go for a school tour. Write a letter to your mummy saying that you were sick for some time and you are still under medication but you are all right. Like this, there will be a purpose mentioned in the question. So that's what you have to write in the body of the letter. So it varies from question to question. You have to understand what is the question and what is the purpose for which you are asked to write a letter. Accordingly, you have to write the body of the letter. It's always good to have it written in paragraphs. Paragraphing is very important because, as I told you, in the format, okay, this lines leaving makes it look beautiful. The same way, paragraphs also will make your letter to look good. So, different issues that you are writing, if you can write in paragraphs, it is always better. After that, you have got leave taking. Subscription also, we call it leave taking, where you write yours and then affectionately, lovingly, various things you can write here. That's why I didn't write anything here. Anyway, when you write that, that also should be after leaving a line. So you write these yours. The Y has to be capital letter. Y has to be capital letter. And when you write yours, there is no apostrophe before S. Many of us make this mistake. Please keep in mind, there is no apostrophe. Some people put this apostrophe here. It is not required. It is wrong to put that. And then you write. Now, if you write yours ending with S, then you have to write an adverb. A word ending in ly, affectionately, lovingly, sincerely, truthfully, I mean depending upon the situation, but whatever it is, if you write yours, then it has to end with ly. If you are writing a noun or an adjective, then you should not have s here. It is only your. When it is your, you can write your son, your affectionate son, your loving son. Either an adjective and a noun or a noun can be used here. Now for our purpose, to follow as I told you one single method, not to have confusion, we write yours affectionately or lovingly with the s and ending in ly here. That's an adverb. Okay. So that is basically about the informal letter that I would like to tell you. Now we are going to look at formal letters. Formal letters, when I was giving the introduction about the letters in general, I told you letters that are written officially. Letters that are written to designations or to chair, to positions. And I told you that day there is nobody with that name. For example, if you write Inspector General of Police or Inspector of Police, there is nobody who has a name there. Maybe one Mr. John is the Inspector of Police at the moment, so he would receive it. But John is his name and Inspector of Police is not his name. So you write to the position or the designation or the authority these people handle. Okay, that day I told you Assistant Executive Engineer. Nobody has a name like that, but that is a position. So you write that. So that is, and these letters, okay, normally with some requirements, some complaints, some suggestions, some proposals like that, officially written, and the concerned person will respond to you, might take action on your letter that you have written. For example, writing a letter to the Assistant Executive Engineer saying that, okay, a few street lights of your area is not functioning well, and then he might ask his under officers after seeing your letter to rectify those problems so that he will have light. So actions will be taken, and those are official letters or formal letters, letters that are written to chair or position or designations. And it has got different parts like what we saw in the other one. First one is self-address, your own address. As I told you there, a 3-line address. Sorry, you can write your door number, your street and your locality with the pin code. You can write here and then leave one line, and the next is the date. Date format is the same like what I told you there. So like 22nd January 2021 or January 22nd 2021. Don't forget to put the comma before the year. Okay, and then leave a line. Then you write, unlike the informal letter we wrote, here you have to write the address of the receiver, to whom you are writing the letter, who is going to receive your letter. To that person, that person's address you have to write. It is very, very important. Otherwise, when a letter reaches to an office, nobody will know to whom it is written, who is supposed to take an action, or that's why you have to write. This also better to write in minimum 3 lines. First line you can write the name of the designation position, the Inspector General or the Inspector of Police. Okay, so that you can write here. Inspector of Police means I and P should be capital letter. The inspector, okay, that has to be there, not 2 is to be written. The Inspector of Police, that is what you have to write here in the first. Then write the name of the police station, okay, Makluskigganj police station, and then write the third line, the place Makluskigganj with the pin code. Okay, so that is what you have written here in the, as I have written, the receiver's address, the person who is going to receive, or person to whom you are writing, or the person who is supposed to be taking action on your letter. That person's address is to be written here. Then you put leave one line, and then the next one you write, Dear Sir. Dear Sir. Actually, that is enough. It is more official and it is also more loving. Okay. So you write, Dear Sir. Please don't forget, as I told you, D and S should be capital letter. D and S should be capital letter, that you have to write here and put a comma. Then leave one line again. Don't write anything on the next line. In the next line, you start the body of your letter. So here, you can straight away get into action, in the sense what you actually required. Okay, giving an introduction about yourself, you can start. You can say, sir, I am Mr. So and so living in this locality, and on our street there are a few street lights. Last few days, few of these lights are not functioning, not burning, not giving light. There is something wrong. One day I met the lineman and I requested him to do the needful or rectify it, but he did not listen, or he did not do anything. The lights are still the same way as it is. Okay, he said that, I mean, you mentioned that. So now I am compelled to write to you. I am writing to you. Okay, and our lights are not burning, because of which people who walk on the road in the evening or once it is dark, okay, they fall in pits, or they hit here and there, and also sometimes chain snatching or theft, snatching away things from people who walk on the road. All this is taking place by the antisocial elements. So it is good to have lights fixed as early as possible. So write that maybe in the next line, sir, I am sure you, being a very responsible person of the department, will do the needful, will make the lights set right so that we will be able to walk or move on the road properly. Thanking you. You can put the full stop and then leave a line, right, thanking you, and you have the leave taking like what I told you. Yours sincerely. Yours sincerely. Same way, you should write the Y capital letter, yours, no apostrophe, and then the adverb that is to be used. This is what I have to tell you about letter writing. If you have got any queries, kindly contact me over phone or through WhatsApp group. I'll be happy to explain to you or clarify your doubt. Thank you.